Are mortgage rates at an all-time low, or are they rising? Let's find out in today's video. My name is Justin Cotton with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today I'm sharing a little bit about how mortgage rates look as we head into the busy season. In 2020, the real estate industry was blessed with the lowest rates we've ever seen. But will the rest of 2020 be just as good? Or are buyers about to feel the heat? Let's find out. Rates are rising. The rumors are true. Rates are increasing. Those low 2020 rates were nice while they lasted, but we're already seeing some upward momentum as we head into the busy season. The good news is rates are slowly rising and are still at an all-time low. Yes, we're going to see some upward momentum this year, but as of right now, experts aren't predicting any dramatic rate spikes, so there's no need to panic. A lot of potential buyers play the waiting game and hold off on buying a home with the hopes rates will start to decrease again. Unfortunately, the low rates that we saw in 2020 probably won't be coming back. So making a move now might score you a lower rate than if you hold off. Rates are only going to rise, and playing the waiting game could hurt you in the end. What rate will you score? The only way to know for sure what rate you'll get is to talk to a lender like me. You can click on the link above to fill out a free pre-qualification form and take the first step towards getting a personalized rate quote. If you're looking at buying a home this year and want to discuss your options, let's chat. I would love to sit down, walk you through the process, and help you find a loan program that works best for you and your family. Feel free to shoot me a message or give me a call. I look forward to chatting with you. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and I'll see you in the next one.